Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the enclosure now, remove rubber feet or grill clips and expose screws. Use a magnetic tray so screws stay organized. This prevents lost parts and misalignment later. Once screws are out, pry seams with a plastic spudger to avoid scratching the case. Make sure to note connector orientation and any foam or adhesive around the battery, because you will need that information when installing the replacement. This immediate access step saves time and prevents damage to the plastic housing. Now disconnect the battery connector from the PCB. You want a firm pull on the connector housing, not on the wires, to avoid damage. If the pack is glued, gently heat the adhesive with a hair dryer to soften it and use a plastic card to separate the battery. Remove any tape and note the printed voltage and mAh so you choose an exact match. Once free, inspect wire routing and any insulation. Replicating this protects the board and keeps the speaker assembly neat. Install the replacement battery in the same orientation and route wires as before. This preserves strain relief and prevents pinched leads. Reconnect the connector to the PCB. Make sure it seats fully and secure with tape or original adhesive. Reassemble the enclosure just enough to test. Power the speaker, run audio at low volume, and plug in charger to confirm charging. If the speaker won't power on, double-check connector seating and measure battery voltage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.